EBC's S-Drive brake rotors have solved all your rotor vibration problems. Featuring the patented square-sided drive rivets, this is how the system works. As the rotor heats up, the outer steel ring expands outwards and inwards, moving it towards the drive buttons. Until now, all floating brake rotors have been made with circular drive buttons, and the inherent problem with this design is that too much expansion gap causes judder, and too little expansion gap causes the rotor to contact the buttons. And because it has nowhere to go, the rotor blade buckles or falls over sideways, causing even worse vibration and often scrapping the rotor. With EBC's patented S-Drive buttons, not only does the rotor blade never come into contact with the drive buttons, it also achieves line contact directly between the buttons and the hub-rotor interface. This line contact allows for the use of aluminium, or as they say in the States, aluminum hubs, and fewer drive buttons. With S-Drive technology, you only need 6 buttons compared to the 9 or 12 used by our competitors, and that can reduce the weight by as much as 300 grams per rotor. And as every motorcyclist knows, shedding weight from your wheels specifically is the holy grail for 2 reasons. Firstly, it reduces the gyroscopic effect, making your motorcycle change direction more quickly. And secondly, it reduces the unsprung weight, and unsprung weight is 6 times more effective at improving handling than losing weight from the frame or engine, for example. In addition, the new XC contoured rotor reduces weight even more. Put simply, the weight savings are equivalent to buying an exotic and very expensive magnesium wheel, and using S-Drive buttons means never having to suffer rotor vibration again. Finally, our X and XC rotors use unique, higher friction, mechanically de-stressed stainless steel, improving your brakes even further compared with hard, glass-like steels traditionally used. EBC X and XC rotors all feature the S-Drive button system and are available for front floating fitments on most modern sports bikes. If you haven't already reviewed it, take a look at our video on the new EBC Extreme Pro Sinter brakes, another great idea to stop you faster.